In this video, we will extend our authentication system by adding role-based authorization. This means different users can have different levels of access such as admin and user. We will create roles in our backend, assign users to roles, protect certain API routes with role restrictions, and adjust the React frontend to show or hide UI based on the user's role. When registering or updating a user, we can assign them to a role like admin. This allows us to control what they can access. To restrict an API endpoint to only admins, add the authorize attribute with the specific role. Here, only admins can create products. When generating a JWT token, include the user's role in the claims. This allows the front end to know what role the logged in user has. In React, we can decode the token using JWT decode library to check the user's role. This helps us decide what UI elements to show. For example, if the role is admin, show an add product button. If the user is just a regular user, hide that option. Now, when you log in as admin, you can add, edit or delete products. When you log in as user, you can only view. Unauthorized attempts are blocked automatically. To summarize, we successfully created roles, assigned them to users, protected APIs with role-based authorization, and updated the React frontend to respond accordingly. In the next video, we will improve our API with features like pagination, sorting, and searching, and explore better state management for authentication in React.